What's up, guys? This is going to be our room tour for our large interior stateroom here aboard the Allure of the Seas. Now we are on deck 10 forward in the ship, okay? Our stateroom number is 10541. Now this stateroom is gorgeous, guys. It really is. The decor is set up really, really nicely. They've got really nice lighting in here as well to make the room feel really open and airy, and they really took advantage of the use of mirrors, and I really, really do appreciate it. So this is the view that you're gonna be greeted with when you first walk in the cabin. So you do have your bed right here in front of you. The bathroom's gonna be on the left and a nice wall on the right. Now, on other ships that we've been on, the closets have been here, but I really like that they didn't put them here. They actually moved them around the corner. We'll get to that in a second though. Now, we are having them move our beds because we did want them separated, but this is what it looks like for the configuration of together. So this is a king size bed. I really appreciate the rounded corners. It's just that little extra thing that really adds to the aesthetic appeal of the room. You do have two nightstand tables which are movable, keep in mind. So, you know, if they did have them in the middle, they would put one nightstand in the middle and that kind of thing. Uh-oh. What did oh, I just dropped our cup. We did get the bubbles package, so they give us 2 cups. There is a generous shelf over here with some, you know, some documentation down here. Here's a little cubby thing. I just put my sunglasses and then the folder that had our keys in it. Your keys will be outside your stateroom when you get here. So you're not gonna get them down in the terminal. They are gonna be outside your stateroom like a lot of ships are doing now. So I just put that there, but then we do have the bubbles package. They put those there. While we're on this section, we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. So here is the breakfast menu. So I guess if you wanted to order like room service, you could do it here. I'm thinking this is like if you wanted a bottle of champagne, and then the mini bar that is going to be in the fridge, which is right over there. We'll get to that in a second as well. So like I said, guys, this is the bed. You do have your in-room telephone, so you can call other rooms. You could call your housekeeping, guest services, that kind of thing. You know, it's basically just like a hotel. That's how it works. There's the bedding. They're really, really soft, really comfy. The pillows have got some nice give to them. So, you know, if you do want a firmer pillow, you can double those up. There are 2 provided per person. Now, in the room, we did have some gifts. Somebody was kind enough. I'll go ahead and shout him out. Eddie Zimmerman, thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber, and he was kind enough to gift us to these. These are the spa slippers. It was such a nice surprise to walk in the room and see these when we got here. So thank you for that. Now, then we do have the sofa. This does not turn out into a bed, but I would imagine like it's a pretty large sofa. You could sleep on it if you had to. Across from the sofa, we will find the desk area where there's some more documentation. Here's the room service menu. So if you wanted to, I'll hold that up and you guys can pause the video if you wanted to read over that at all. There is the room service menu though, and it says it's to order it's served from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and has a service fee of $7.95 per room delivery, okay? So $7.95 for room service. It's not free, it doesn't look like. Here's our cruise compass. This is your daily outline of everything that's going to be happening in the ship. So that was in the room we got here, as well as this is the shore excursion information. Now we actually already have our shore excursions booked. Just watch the vlogs and you'll be able to kind of know what that is. But beside that was our shore excursion tickets, and finally VOOM, the internet from Royal Caribbean, our access code. So that was in the room as well. Now we do have some shelving over here. It's very shallow shelving, but shelving it is. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves for you. This top one is rather thin. I would say about my fingers can fit in there, so that's about how deep it is. The rest of them are about a hand's width deep. And down here as well, same thing, you've got 2 of those. Again, very, very shallow. I don't know, you could probably put like some sunglasses or some, you know, some bottles, some soaps, that kind of thing could go in here. Nothing too big. Now, I really do like this, that we actually have 3 outlets on this desk. That is amazing. I have never seen so many outlets given to one room. So really, really happy about that. So there's 3 outlets there, so that will really, you know, help. We always bring a power strip with us, but this will really, really help, you know, just not run out of space, you know, because with camera gear and all that stuff, I'm always looking for a power outlet. So you do have that there, and then one drawer on top with some Kleenexes and the blow dryer. Let's do the, oh, it's not plugged in, guys. I can't give you the blow dryer test. Darn it, but it looks like a nice blow dryer nonetheless. I'm sure Mama Hokum will take advantage of that. So one drawer there, and then you have a nice big drawer and one more big drawer down there. Over here is going to be your mini fridge. Now it is emptied for us, which I'm happy about, and I like that. It's like latched to the door. Check that out. So it opens with it. That's nice. There is your mini fridge right there. It is a cool temperature. We have a nice chair here and a trash can down there. That is the desk area. There's also this thing here. It's like got like the really old iPod hookup. So you know, if you wanted to work on iPod, they do have an in-room speaker for you. Okay, so that is the room, and then we're gonna come over here to the closets. Here are the closets. So there's a safe on top. It looks like it is code. So you're gonna punch in your code, and that's gonna lock it. So you can set your stuff inside of there. What is this in here? Oh, this is just the lining. It looks like. Yeah, that's just the lining in there. And then we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. I guess you could count this one. This one's open shelf, so you know, don't put anything that might fall in there, I guess. So generous shelving space, really and truly. And then also some additional shelving space up there. Oh look, somebody left us a coat hanger. Huh? Speaking of coat hangers, there is a generous, very generous, let's get to the other side of this. This opens on both sides. There's a very generous amount of coat hangers in here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Woo! My goodness. Yeah, generous amount of coat hangers. And then it looks like we also do have a second, if you needed to hang some shorts or something down here, that does fold out of the wall for you. Then we're gonna go to the bathroom. Now the bathroom really did impress me, guys. I was blown away, and you'll see why in 3, 2, 1. Look what there is not. There is not a sticky shower curtain, guys. So this bathroom actually has a proper shower door. And I'm gonna shut that and then step out so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So it's got a proper shower door, and it curves out. So when you're inside, we'll take a step in. When you're inside, it doesn't feel too crowded. You know, I mean, obviously it's a ship. It's a ship bathroom, so it's gonna be crowded, but like I'm still able to move quite freely in here. You know, I can take a couple steps around, and the best thing is I'm not having that sticky shower curtain, you know, stick to my body when the ship moves and that kind of thing. We do have shampoo provided here. However, I do not see soap. All we have, it looks like, is the bar soap, gentle bath soap. So that is new to me. Listen, it's like echoey in here, y'all. Let's step out of here. That is new and interesting to me. I was quite surprised by that, but nonetheless, it's still a really nice shower. Then we come over to the sink area. The sink, Corey actually mentioned, my friend Corey that is sailing with us, that is really low. Like my arm is all the way extended right now. So if you guys can see that, it is quite low down. I don't know why, it just is. So that's nothing negative about it. It's just keep that in mind that it is a low sink. You know, so like if you're brushing your teeth or shaving, you're gonna have to bend over. You know, there is a small drawer right here, so you can put some, you know, medicine or something in there. 2 water glasses, and then 2 more shelves above that. Down here is kind of like the storage for the housekeeping. You could store some stuff down there. There's an extra towel, some extra tissue paper if you need it, and a trash can. A very neat trash can. See, it's like, it doesn't open all the way. I don't know. Standard bathroom toilet as always, and then, you know, towels and all that stuff. So that is the bathroom, guys, and the stateroom. This is, like I said, deck 10541 at the front of the ship. A large interior stateroom. We are so excited to be staying in this room for the next 7 days. Cannot wait to share my adventures with you guys. Make sure you go check out the cruise vlogs. There should be an eye blinking in one of these top right corners. Go over, check those out. Stay up to date with all our latest adventures. Without further ado, guys, let's get back into those cruise vlogs.